This is my game, Gun Run. In it, you basically just fly your helicopter, dodge enemies, buildings, and blow stuff up.
Дорожной петле, а над городом плывут облака, закрывая небесный свет, а над городом.
I got big plans for this game's future. It's entering closed alpha testing this weekend, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.